Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to use the zebra function on Sony A6400. Let's begin. First go to the menu, and now you want to go to the second page of the menu and specifically the sixth page. As you can see here we have the zebra setting. If we click the trash icon we will see that more info, and it is for displaying stripes to adjust brightness. So now we can go into zebra setting, we can enable this, and now we can also customize its level. As you can see, this is 100, 100, 95, 70, and the lower we go, the more stripes we should see. So I do think that this is the default option for seeing how bright your areas is. So as we can see, this is the most bright area, and now if I will put my finger, we will see exactly where brightness is. And of course, if we take a photo, these stripes won't be visible on the photo itself. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.